In today's interconnected business landscape, the ability for different software systems to communicate and share data seamlessly is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Businesses rely on a multitude of applications to manage various aspects of their operations, from accounting and customer relationship management to project management and e-commerce. The efficiency and effectiveness of these operations often hinge on how well these disparate systems can work together. This is where the concept of an application programming interface, or API, becomes crucial. For businesses considering or currently using Sage Intacct, a key question arises. Does Sage Intacct have an open API? The answer unequivocally is yes. Sage Intacct boasts a robust and well-documented open API, a cornerstone of its modern, cloud-native architecture. This open API is not just a technical feature. It's a strategic advantage that empowers businesses to tailor and extend the functionality of Sage Intacct to meet their unique requirements and integrate it seamlessly with other critical business applications. Understanding the capabilities and implications of this open API is essential for anyone involved in project management or business technology decisions. Think of an API as a digital handshake between two software systems. It defines the methods and protocols that allow these systems to exchange information and trigger actions in a standardized way. An open API means that this interface is publicly accessible and well-documented, allowing developers, both within the company and from third-party vendors, to build integrations and extensions. Sage Intacct's commitment to an open API reflects its understanding of the diverse and evolving needs of modern businesses. Rather than operating as a closed ecosystem, Sage Intacct embraces interoperability, recognizing that businesses often have existing software investments and specific workflows that need to be accommodated. This open approach fosters a flexible and adaptable environment where Sage Intacct can become a central hub, exchanging data with other best-of-breed applications. The benefits of an open API for a financial management system like Sage Intacct are numerous and significant. One of the primary advantages is seamless integration with other business systems. For project management teams, this can translate to connecting Sage Intacct with project management software like Asana, Trello, or even ClickUp, as we discussed previously. This integration can automate the flow of financial data related to projects, such as budget tracking, expense reporting, and invoicing. Imagine project managers being able to see real-time budget versus actuals directly within their project management tool, powered by data from Sage Intacct. This eliminates the need for manual data entry and reduces the risk of errors, providing a more accurate and up-to-date view of project financials. Furthermore, the open API facilitates customization and extension of Sage Intacct's functionality. While Sage Intacct offers a comprehensive suite of features out of the box, businesses often have unique processes or reporting needs that aren't directly addressed by the standard system. The open API allows developers to build custom applications or extensions that integrate directly with Sage Intacct, tailoring the system to meet these specific requirements. For instance, a company might develop a custom dashboard that pulls specific financial data from Sage Intacct and presents it in a format tailored to their executive team's needs.